Americor features, strengths, weaknesses. Americor is a debt relief company offering debt resolution, consolidation, and credit counseling services, primarily targeting individuals struggling with unsecured debt like credit cards, personal loans, and medical bills. A core feature is their personalized debt resolution program, which involves negotiating with creditors to lower outstanding balances. This is typically a multi-year process where clients deposit funds into an FDIC-insured account, which Americor then uses to settle debts. They also provide credit counseling, offering budgeting assistance and financial education resources. A key strength lies in their established track record. They've been in the industry for a while and have a substantial client base. Their debt resolution program can potentially lead to significant savings for clients who complete it, especially for those with high debt loads and consistent income. Another positive aspect is their accredited status with the American Fair Credit Council, suggesting adherence to industry best practices. However, Americor's program isn't without its drawbacks. Debt resolution is not a guaranteed solution, and creditors are not obligated to negotiate. While debts are being negotiated, clients may experience increased collection calls and potential negative impacts on their credit score. There are also fees associated with their debt resolution program, typically a percentage of the enrolled debt, which clients need to factor into their decision. Furthermore, it's important to understand that debt resolution can have tax implications, as forgiven debt may be considered taxable income. Americor services are best suited for individuals with a substantial amount of unsecured debt, a stable income to consistently contribute to the program, and the willingness to endure the potential negative effects on their credit score during the negotiation process. It's not ideal for those with secured debts like mortgages or auto loans, or for those who cannot commit to a long-term repayment plan. Ultimately, while Americor can be a viable option for certain individuals seeking debt relief, it's crucial to thoroughly research all alternatives, including debt management plans and bankruptcy, and to carefully weigh the potential benefits and risks before enrolling. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to determine the best course of action for your specific financial situation. Don't forget to research other debt relief companies and compare their fees and success rates. Due diligence is key to making an informed decision about your financial future.